Hello everyone! We bought our woohoo! First drone. Ayan. So, this is from Costco, the aerial camera bundle. So this is different from what you get from DJI. This is a Costco special bundle. So it's I think it's it has extra battery, and the price is 439. It's a lot cheaper than the when you buy it from DJI, you know. Okay, here's the backside. So I'm excited to open it up. Let's go. Let's get the plastic wrap. Where's the maybe this? Okay. Oh. Okay. There's the opening right here. Yeah. So it came in with a bag. I think it's all inside. Ayan. So it's all inside. So 439 from Costco. Got a bundle with the bag in it and the actual drone here. Wow, it's really light. It's too small for a drone. Yeah, a 4K drone, I know. Okay, let's check the so how does this close like with this. Okay, let's check what's inside here. Okay, we got paper. See, stuffage. Let's check. Let's move the drone. Let's check what's inside. I think it's the controller, the manuals. Here's the controller. Wow, it's pretty heavy. I didn't know that this is heavy. Okay, we open it up. Let's see. Again, this is from Costco, $439 plus tax. It will be it'll charge you 487. And here's the charging port and the control sticks. How can you get it out? Like that. Oh, okay. Then you put it on top. Oh, it's aluminum, high quality. Wow, nice feel to it. Check the other one. Okay. All right. Yep. Really nice. And this is the it's a phone holder. How do you do it? Okay, yeah, you put the phone here, you clamp that in, and also the charging ports right here for your phone. Oh, it's iPhone. How do you know it's, how can I use it? I'm an Android. Let's check. Maybe there's another cable inside. Yeah, this is USB-C iPhone. Okay. Okay, this is the okay, there's the, wait, you have to be, yeah. Then there's a scroll wheel. It could be a gimbal movement up and down. I think this is a record button. Power, sports mode, and manual. Those are the settings. Power here. I don't know, this is land or takeoff. Or I think takeoff like this. Okay. Really nice. Let's check the other inside. It's the manual. Okay. Some Chinese. Okay. Other side. Oh, here it is. Okay, here it is. Oh, but this is a charging port. That's a charger port. Let's see what else inside. Feels like there's still something inside. On the bottom is, oh, another paper. Another paper inside. I think that's pretty much it. And the silica gel. and it's for the iPhone, I think. Oh, and here's the battery, the extra battery right here. Oh my god, this is tight. Alright. Okay, here's the battery, the extra one. Ah, there it is. Yeah, I was looking for this. This is the if you're an Android. Here's the here's another connection for USB-C to USB-C. And also if you have another connection, here is USB, micro USB. There you go, micro USB. All right. Okay, check the battery. Oh, there's more in here. There's let's put this aside. Let's arrange it. Okay. The drone, the controller. There's a screw, cables, and the extra. There's extra propellers. Oh, this is not oh yeah, extra propellers, one set, and screws here, and finally the extra battery, and another extra what you call this, a stick, controller stick. Okay, here's the other extra battery, and I think the other one is already inserted in the drone. And you take this out. Okay, there it is. Then you can see the compartment. Okay, let me take out this. It's a propeller guard. Okay. Check the battery there. Pull it out. There it is. There's another battery here. Let's check if it fits. Yeah, it fits good. Because they're saying online that the second battery wasn't fitting inside this. It's kind of like it's swollen, so it fits in really good right now, so we don't have any issue with this. It slides in pretty good. Oh, this one is a little loose than the other one. Let's check, double check. Yeah, but it's actually, yeah, I like the second one fit better. Okay, all right, I guess that's pretty much it. Here's the drone, and let me open it up. So how do you open it up? Let's check here. So you open the arms first, front, and then you open the back. Oh, I didn't see it. Did I destroy it? No. Okay, you have to remove the holders. Yeah, there you go. And then the other side. So here it is. Alright. It's really light, very light. This is my first drone, first DJI drone. Actually, I have a Tello, the smallest drone they have, but it doesn't have the 4K and stabilization of this one. I usually I'm used to the manual drone, you know, the acrobatic drones. So never had this drone before. First drone I owned. Alright, I guess that's pretty much it for 439. You get all this. I think it's a pretty good deal. Get it while you can, because it's gonna run out soon. All right, see you next time. Subscribe.